Welcome back to SGS online class. Today in class 5 math, I will explain worksheet 15 mixed word problem. Student, you all have worksheet book with you, math worksheet. So I will explain worksheet 15 mixed word problem. Let us start. First question. Sona bought 6 plants from a nursery, each costing rupees 25, and 4 packets of decorative stones, each costing rupees 7.80. How much money did she get back from a rupees 500 note? Student, Sona bought 6 plants and cost of one plant is rupees 25. Sona bought 4 packets of decorative stones and one packet decorative stone is rupees 7.80. So student, what we have to do? First we have to find out cost of 6 plant and cost of 4 packets of decorative stones, and then we will take out the total cost of 6 plant and 4 packet decorative stones, and then we will subtract the total cost from the amount given. Then we will get how much money is returned. So student, let us start. Cost of one plant rupees 25. Cost of 6 plant rupees 25 into 6. 6 into 5 30. Write 0 here. 3 carry. 6 multiplied to 12. 12 plus 3 15. Rupees 150. Cost of one packet decorative stone is rupees 7.80. Now cost of 4 packets decorative stone. Cost of 4 packet decorative stone is equal to rupees 7.80 into 4. Now 4 multiply 0, 0. 4 multiply 8, 32. Write 2 here, 3 carry. Now put decimal here. 4 7 28, 29 30 31. Rupees 31.20. Now total cost of 6 plant and 4 packets. So what we do, student? We will add 150 rupees 150.00 rupees 31.20 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 2 2 0 plus 1 1 5 plus 3 8 rupees 181.20 student. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this amount from the total amount. So total amount given minus total cost. So rupees 500.00 minus rupees 181.20. 0 minus 0 0. Now this 0 will become 10 because we will borrow 1 from this 5. 9 9 4. 10 minus 2 8. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 1 3. So student, shopkeeper will return rupees 318.80. Money returned rupees 318.80. Next question is, student, an orchard owner bought 468 orange trees. How many trees? 468 orange trees. He decided to plant 16 trees in each row. In each row, 16 trees. How many full rows can be planted and how many trees would be left over? So student, what we do? We divide. Let us start. 16, 468. Clear? 16 to 32. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 8. Write down 8. Now student, 16 into 9. See, 16 into 9. 9 6 54. 9 1 9. 9 plus 5 14. So student, 144. 8 minus 4 4. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. So student, 29 full rows and 4 trees will be left. So 29 full rows can be planted. 4 trees would be left over. Four trees left over, student, and 29 full rows can be planted. Now student, next question. A truck is loaded with 1200 cartons of chocolate. Each carton has 140 chocolates in it. How many chocolates are there on the truck? So cartons of chocolate loaded on the truck, students, 1200. Now chocolates in one carton, 140. Now total number of chocolates on the truck. So what we do, student? We multiply. So 0 multiply 0. Student, we all know whatever number we multiply by 0, we get 0. 0 0 0. Now cross. 4 multiply 0. 4 multiply 0. 4 2 8. 4 1 4. Now 2 cross. 1 multiply 0. 1 multiply 0. 1 multiply 2. Now student, solve. 0 0. See, 4 plus 2 6. So student, total number of chocolates 1,68,000. How many chocolates, student? 1,68,000 chocolates are there on the truck. A group of 72 people went for boating. One boat could carry only 12 persons. How many boats were hired? So student, a group of people, how much? 72. One boat could carry how many? 12. Now number of boats hired, students, what we do? 72 divided by 12. 12, 6, 72. So student, number of boats hired 6. Total 6 boats. How student? One boat, 12 persons, 12 people. So 12 into 6, 72. So this is our answer. Next question is student. Mr. Raj earns a salary of rupees 9,876 per month. What would be his annual income? So student, salary per month rupees 9,876. Now annual income is student, annual whole year. So 1 year how many months? 12 months. So salary of 12 months. Salary of 12 months. Multiply rupees 9,876 multiply 12. 2 6 12. 2 7 14 115. 2 8 16 117. 2 9 18 119. Now put cross 6 7 8 9. Now add it. Whatever number you multiply by 1, you get that same number itself. 2 6 plus 5 11. 7 to 14 plus 1 15. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 15. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. So student, salary 12 months is equal to rupees 1,18,512. 1,18,512, or we can say annual income is equal to rupees 1,18,512. Next question is student, for the annual examination 1,176 children were made to sit in 21 rooms. If every room had equal number of children, find the number of children in each room. So student, number of children 1,176. Number of rooms 21. Number of children in each room, student, we will divide 21 1,176. 21 into 5 into 1 5, 5 to 10. Student, how many times? 5 times. 1, 0, 5. Now subtract 7 minus 5, 2, and 1 minus 0, 1. Write down 6. Now student, 21, 9 times. 21 multiply 6, 6 1 6, 6 2 12. How many times, student? 6 times. 126. 126 minus 126, 0. So how many children in each room, student? 56 children. So this is our answer. So this worksheet is completed. Thank you.